Happy Monday, traders, and welcome to a fresh week in markets. Okay, so the focus at the moment is 100% on Bitcoin and what is happening to Bitcoin. So it's had a horrible few weeks. We've gone from record highs, 126,000, to print a low of 93,000 in the last couple of hours. So, we're off a good 30,000 plus on Bitcoin. The bounces have been dead cat bounces. Now look, the bears starting to get excited, so they think that maybe 80,000 targets potentially. Bulls, they need this thing to go back above 100,000 and quick. But in any case, to start the week, this is what the market is focused on. And it probably will lead risk up or down. It's that simple. Anyway, now in the equity space on Friday, yes, equities, S&P, NASDAQ, they did follow Bitcoin lower. NASDAQ was off a good 700 points at one stage before we saw the dip buyers come in, and we ended up closing pretty much flat. Can you believe it? It is just unbelievable. The dip buyers just will not give up. But look, having said that, this week is actually a big week. Wednesday is D-Day. We've got a couple of things happening on Wednesday. One first is we've got the FOMC minutes. The last Fed meeting, yes, they cut rates as expected, but we did get Powell non-committal for a December rate cut. And post the FOMC, we've had a lot of Fed speakers, and quite a few of them have been singing from the same hymn sheet that they're not also committed to a December cut. Markets love rate cuts. They do not like it when they do not get them. So FOMC minutes, I would say, look, I'd be surprised if the market doesn't react negatively when they continue to get basically a vibe that those rate cuts maybe not on the agenda. Anyway, the other thing that we're also going to get on Wednesday, and this is probably even more significant, is that we get NVIDIA earnings after market close. NVIDIA has literally an AI, this whole tech, it has led risk, not just recently, but for the last couple of years. It has floated all boats. There is no way that equity indexes globally would be anywhere near trading where they are currently if it wasn't for this stock. So it is super important. It's struggled recently. There's a theme that we've talked about multiple times, is that market's starting to question equity valuations, especially NVIDIA, $5 trillion company. Is it worth it? Wow. And also we've got Michael Burry, famous hedge fund manager who called GFC. He is short NVIDIA. So what happens to NVIDIA on Wednesday with these earnings is going to dictate direction for this market. So obviously if the market doesn't like NVIDIA earnings, potentially we're going to go a lot lower. If it likes it, well, okay, off we go back to the races, and who knows, maybe even record highs again. So Wednesday, whatever happens between now and then, doesn't really matter. It's all about NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday. So look, good luck with your trades, and we will check back in with you shortly.